you don't belong.
Dobra, shotgun on it?
Turn it!
John.
This guy just...
Fucking John. You gotta respect the shotgun, man.
Damn.
Again,
If you don't respect the shotgun, who will?
Doesn't matter if you're a pro.
No, it's a finish on it.
Turn it.
Turn!
Again? That's twice in a row, dude.
We gave you a
twice in a row, though.
We gave you a chance. We gave you a chance.
Hey, come on, John.
God damn it.
Yeah, baby girl. Oh, get him in dream.
Baby girl.
Oh, baby girl.
This is the biggest Kmart in the world.
Baby girl, this is the biggest game out in the world.
Well, you wish you could fuck every girl.
In the world. It's in his mouth.